Hi and welcome to Food Be Well Recipes. First of all, thank you for your overwhelming response to my previous video of air fried Cajun potatoes, both on YouTube and Instagram. Today I'm going to show you how to make Karnataka style akki roti or rice roti, which is a tasty, nutritious and gluten-free breakfast meal for everybody. If you're a bachelor looking for easy recipes, you'll love it even more. Akki rotis have the best balance of carbs, protein and fat, which make for a totally satisfying dish. So shouldn't we start? For this I've taken half kg of plain rice flour. And here I'm adding some salt. I've finely chopped 2 medium onions to add to the flour. Around half an inch of ginger, which is finely chopped again. Now, depending on your preference for spice, you can add some chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. I'd also suggest you to not finely chop the chilies so that they're easy to discard when you find them. If you're fond of the flavor of dill leaves, feel free to add them here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, however, it's completely optional. Coconut always tends to enhance the flavor of akki rotis if added. To start kneading the dough, I've added 2 tablespoons of water. Let me tell you that to make akki rotis, you don't need a lot of water nor oil to knead the dough. With these ingredients and quantities, we need around 1.5 to 2 minutes of thorough kneading. And we need to get this consistency. The best part here is you don't need to keep the dough to rest before making the rotis. And it's just instant. So I'd be using a parchment paper on which I'd be patting the roti in this manner. But if you can manage to get a banana leaf, nothing like it. We just require some oil to grease the surface of this paper. Just pinch a ball of dough of this size to pat your first roti. Just pat with your fingers firmly yet gracefully like this. And make sure to even out the edges as well. Now it's time to heat our tawa. I'm using a cast iron tawa, which is a great and healthy kitchenware as compared to other materials. Iron pans heat efficiently and always result in even and tasty cooking. We'll just need a little bit of oil to grease the heated tawa before transferring the roti to it. And here we go. With these quantities of ingredients, you can make up to 8 to 9 akki rotis. By the way, akki roti is also better known as tanlachi bhakri in Konkani. It's about time we flip the roti. Alright, we are halfway through and we are just waiting for the roti to become crisp on both sides. Roasting each roti takes fairly less than 1.5 minutes, and there you go. Enjoy your akki roti with some fresh coconut chutney coupled with any of your favorite pickles. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I drop a new video. Keep extending your love and support on my Instagram and website too. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care and bye-bye.